Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking sensors, luxury package 3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Toyota Entune, cooled seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.